Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now, confirm your Mac model, current Mac OS version, and that you have a recent backup. Plug into power and enable Wi-Fi so downloads won't stall. Sign in with your Apple ID, keep the admin password at hand. Open system settings and check software update. Install required patches first because they fix firmware and drivers. Once done, run Migration Assistant only if transferring files, and make sure time machine backups are present before proceeding to deeper changes. You now configure the core system. Enable iCloud and desktop sync so your files follow you across devices. This simplifies recovery. Tweak privacy and accessibility settings to grant only needed app permissions because less access reduces risk. Remove unnecessary startup items and close resource-hungry apps to improve responsiveness. Turn on File Vault to encrypt your disk and enable the firewall for network protection. Create a non-admin daily user account. This limits accidental system changes while preserving the admin account for updates. You finish by validating stability. Run first aid in Disk Utility and check that Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and external drives mount correctly. Install essential apps from the App Store or trusted vendors, and configure Time Machine to run hourly or as needed so backups stay current. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate login items, then use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall the system or restore from Time Machine. This solves corrupt installs and makes sure your setup is reversible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.